Okay, so today we're going to change the keyboard on the Asus, the x53e model. So first, we take out the battery. Okay. Then we'll flip it over. And we try to pop this up. Right here. It's a little bit of a challenge, but it should come right out. Okay. So now we just walk it over. Okay. A little bit here. And that's it. And we flip it. And there's the cable ribbon right there. So 2 tabs, one on either end. Push the tabs out. Push this tab back. Push this tab back. And this should come right out. Okay. Alright. So there we go. I guess you get to move this plastic cover out. Okay. I'll bring this over to the side. Okay. Use the blue cable to push it in. Now that it looks like it's in, I use the plastic to push the plastic levers back down. Okay, that's it. Insert it back in. And I like to test it before, we close the tabs all over. Turn it on.
And it's 100%.
Yep, works good. We'll turn it off. And now it's just a matter of
Securing the keyboard.
pushing it back down again. Pushing it here, pushing it there. Okay, you'll hear a little tab. Okay. And that's it. We're done. That's how you install the keyboard on this model.